The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive time in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital currencies offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The prestigious digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so on had their own advantage trend to advance. Notwithstanding, they're actually snuck a test of openness, straightforwardness, and enormous exchange charges. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of engineers. They understood that the tremendous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally outfit ideally through a hard fork, subsequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money. The mechanical subtleties. The essential target of Bitcoin money was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and discussions encompassing adaptability in the blockchain, keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized server and security as the vital purposes. This BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, accordingly accomplishing a dramatically high velocity of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero divulgence proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any authentic information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. Subsequently, security impediments are captured first. A striking trait of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. Bitcoin money. Functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and noticeable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to support English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the computerized bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. Bitcoin money specialized examination. Understanding the bare essential of profound entrance into the statistical data points of Bitcoin money has a by and large unique story to uncover, regardless of having huge future outcomes, additionally potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size. The token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. A significant explanation, hence, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The designers required a ton of patching up to show greater spryness and rolling out revolutionary improvements to the undertaking's basics. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Be that as it may, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and firmly connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, soon after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astounding that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astonishing level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are complicated instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital money skip to an enormous level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing rectification cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a memorable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Notwithstanding, from the very start of this current year, the Bitcoin cost has been making reliable development. The improvement of developments and conventions has a ton to thank at this symbolic cost flood. A few specialized errors were mindful throughout the mining and an out-and-out presentation of new programming that went done for. This is supposed to be liable for the descending winding from the BCH at first in 2017 until it dropped to these years. As per determined Bitcoin money cost examination, Bitcoin money cost could float lease cost around $106 toward 2023 in the couple of the following months in. As indicated by Gwaj Bitcoin money cost, it is by all accounts showing a vertical pattern. The bulls will push the cost up like other crypto monsters as well. It's uplifting news for its financial backers. According to BCH Value Forecast, it can generally depend on $280.62 as greatest cost in 1 year. In light of our Bitcoin Cash cost conjecture, it is a terrible long-haul speculation. Your speculation might be downgraded from here on out. Bitcoin money is anticipated to begin and walk 2023 at $131.61 and finish the month at $119.82. During spring, the greatest anticipated BCH cost is $140.21 and the base cost is $95.34. The Bitcoin Money Project Group is on a forceful binge to upgrade its advancement and improvement exercises, breaking liberated from the conventional method of activity. The group is effectively considering some progressive infrastructural upgradation. Aside from the ongoing wallet support, the Bitcoin Money People Group has likewise tried a beta wire tipping bot, TipMemchBot, which empowers message clients to tip different clients utilizing BCH. Bitcoin Money's cost today is exchanging around $129.59, with a flowing stockpile of 19,344,675 BCH. The market capitalization shows a strong $2,507,060,467. Despite the fact that the digital money has endured a few unsettled maneuvers, it makes certain to get back in the saddle, as deduced by specialists. All the more significantly, the task is doing a ton on the advancement and improvement front, clarifying that the Bitcoin money cost won't ever go into insensibility. Bitcoin Money can exchange on Bitcoin's past victories and validity the other digital currency world with the similitudes and divided history among the two significant monetary forms. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023. Going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way typically every several years. In 2023, Bitcoin Money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the most extreme cost, as indicated by Bitcoin Money Cost Expectation 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin Money causing a slight recuperation. However, at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recapture its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2024, expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin Money will control the crypto market with a presentation cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin Money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin Money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, according to our BCH cost forecast. There will be an extraordinary change in the Bitcoin Money cost estimate when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the BCH cost goes the distance and mass reception gets number, it is definitely conceivable that Bitcoin Money will be essentially more than its record-breaking high in light of our BCH cost forecast. Bitcoin Money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin Money cost forecast, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026. In light of our own exploration and Bitcoin Money cost figure, the BCH cost forecast for the year 2026 is $590.00